What's up guys, we're back with another video, starting it off just like the last one. Today we're gonna try for the second time to head out to that spot I was talking about. If you follow my Instagram, and I'll put it right here, you'll recognize this spot. I've taken pictures here quite a few times. So basically today, all I'm gonna be doing is really explaining what happened to that fender, how it happened, how long ago it happened, what I'm doing about it, if anything's coming in store for them. And yeah, so I'm gonna try and film it at that next spot because I think it's a pretty cool spot. And I'll get to you guys when we get there. Alright guys, so we have the spot now. Go ahead and look at the church right there. So yeah, if you follow my Instagram, which is right here, you'll recognize the spot as I come here pretty often to take pictures. So about this spot on the fender right here, basically what happened was my dad was taking apart a pump outside and a piece of the pump chipped off, and out of all the places it could have went, up, down, right, it went left, and it went directly into my fender. And if you can see, if you get in close, come in closer a little bit, it went all the way through the paint and even through the metal, and you can see some of the fibers right there still. And yeah, so right now this is the current status of the alright, yeah, so it's church time. So this is the current situation of the fenders right now. It's kind of looking pretty ugly, but just know that I do have new fenders coming in. I'm not going to tell you what kind they are, or if they're regular carbon fiber, partial carbon fiber, what company they're from. I'll let it be a surprise when they come in. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I know it's kind of another short one. I just wanted to kind of explain what was going on with the fenders. Let's keep it rolling, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.